Yo, what's going on? My name is Nick Maselli. I'm the CEO and owner of Maselli Visuals. For those of you guys who don't know me, I also go by Zamp or Zampify. So yeah, I just want to make this video real quick just to show you guys what Maselli Visual is, how we could help potentially you or your brand, and just fill you guys in on a lot of tips, basically, for free. So, Maselli Visual is obviously a graphic design company. We specialize in branding and helping out brands with the visual aspects of their brands. Because a lot of companies nowadays, they have a great business idea, they have a great product, but have horrible branding or improper branding, which are not converting their sales or growing their brand or helping them out in any way, and they don't know that. And they don't need to be worried about that when that's where we come in. And we can handle all that for them so that they can focus on their product and marketing and all that fun stuff. So let's go to the next slide. So basically, what is Maselli Visuals? Maselli Visuals is a graphic design company specializing in providing companies, brands, and businesses with high-quality graphics and branding. The visual aspect of your business, which is also branding, plays a huge part in your success. Our job is to help businesses like yours brand yourself for success, meaning that how your website looks, how your logo is, and even how your logo is presented on apparel or on sponsor items or in videos or in podcasts or anything like that, how it's presented, how your social media is laid out and how it is presented to customers, as well as how your website and even your product is packaged, branded, and presented to customers. That is our job, to help you brand everything for success. With digital technology paving the way of the future, the need to visually stand out is becoming more important than ever. So what that basically means is we're in an evolving world, and everything is just going up. Everything is keep getting better and better, and you got to keep up with the program or you're going to get left back. Our mission is to be known as one of the top graphic design teams in the industry. What we create is born from a collaboration with our clients, which is why we include them in every step of the process. In order to insert our work is exactly what they had in mind. The end result is an inspiring and functional design that will boost their company's performance. Which meaning, at the end of the day, the product or service that we provide you, it will help your company out in the long run. So that's pretty much basically who we are and what we can offer to you. So the problem that we solve for your brand basically would be the branding, the visual aspects, the social media, and the outreach side of your brand or your company. Many entrepreneurs have great ideas and launch amazing companies, like I said in the beginning, but they don't have the proper branding or visual aspects to grow and prosper. Bill Gates and Microsoft, they could have a perfect product. The Xbox is perfect. Everybody's going to buy it. But if they don't market that with a good advertisement, a good commercial, a good ad on social media, a good display on a box, a good proper branding and everything, it's not really going to be, they're going to make some sales, but they just missed out on millions of sales because of the poor branding of their product. Now, good branding obviously builds up a brand and a reputation to get clients and customers as well. But you kind of see what I'm saying. They often lack knowledge. They often lack the knowledge of how graphics and branding can increase sales and plays a crucial success in your company. Meaning, basically exactly what I said. You know what I'm saying? Most of the times, whenever you go to the store and you look for a shirt, sometimes people care about the brand. They care. Oh, Gucci, I'm buying that. I don't even care if it's just a plain white tee. You know what I'm saying? But about 75% of the entire population, when they go to a store, they look at the shirt. The shirt is awesome. It's eye-catching. It got their attention. They buy it. They get home. Then they look at the brand. See what I'm saying right there? They didn't look at the brand first, then bought the product. They bought the product, then looked at the brand. Because how the product was presented and how they branded themselves to visually stand out got the customer's attention over the brand. And that is exactly how we can help with your branding to play a crucial success in your company. For example, your Facebook ads also, this is a big topic. Your Facebook ads cannot be attracting enough customers because of the design you are promoting. A lot of the ad copies, a lot of the images that people see on social media, they're not going to come to your website if your designs look like crap, plain and simple. Maybe they are. Maybe they are working and you're making some sales off of it. But when they come to your site or your social media, your brain is not strong enough to keep them on your social media site to see what your product or service even is about. You know, you got to build trust. You got to build something with the customers. But I'm not going to come to your website and just sit there. You know what I'm saying? I got better things to do with my life. If I can come to that website and I can be visually attracted to it, I might stay on there and learn a little bit of something about it. If I go to your social media, an esports organization, if I go to your esports organization and your header is something I've never seen before, your branding is amazing, I'm going to scroll through every single last one of your tweets, might even hit you up and try to work with you or try to be on your team. You see what I'm saying? Like, that's what we basically mean. So the solution is us. Plain up. That we are the solution to your problems. Just stop right now. You know, we could help you. Okay? Going with a graphic design company like us not only solves your problems, but relieves a lot of stress. We work one-on-one with you. So any questions you have, anywhere you get confused along the way, we are right here 24/7 to help you out, because we help you, you help us. We not only provide the quality and service that you need, but we provide the information as well. As I just gave you in the last 5 minutes, a countless amount of information that you need to brand and market your brand. We're not just going to provide you with a header, a logo, an advertisement, and say good luck. We're going to provide you with that, and we're also going to tell you how to make it work. You know, I'm giving away something in the end of the video, which is going to help you guys out a lot. And actually, it's right there. Let's see. Don't need to really read that. We grant clients access to our exclusive branding business guide. That's what I was talking about. And we work with them on how to execute the guide properly, okay? In the next video, I will be breaking down the entire guide, basically. You could buy the guide for $10, but at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you how to get it for free. Stay tuned. Competition, okay? I'm not really going to name exactly who our competition is, but let me just compare the two competitions real quick. So what we do is we teach as we work with you, okay? Other companies and other competition, they just take your money and they provide you with the service, okay? The other companies don't have no idea about who their designers is. They don't know them. They just come to their website and use the website as a freelance platform. They have no idea who they are or their backgrounds or anything like that. We know our designers. We speak with them on the daily. We paid them. They are our employees. We work with them and make sure that they are working hard. We know exactly who they are. So we know that our designers are working hard. So that means the designs that they put out for your brand is going to be made by hardworking designers that you can know and trust. That's a difference. That's pretty much really it. The competition does not offer anything beneficial to the client except for the service. That just goes back to what I'm saying. Would you rather go spend $100 at a company where it's just going to provide you with the service and have a good day? Or would you rather go spend $100 on a company who's going to provide you with the same service, better service, more efficient service, and on top of all that, they're going to tell you how to execute the plan and strategy to take your business to the next level? You see what I'm saying right there? It's a no-brainer to go with us, man. This is just a informational slide to anybody out there about the market size of entrepreneurship and our target audience. Basically, our target audience would be entrepreneurs, small business owners, and everything like that. So according to Google, apparently there's about 30 million small business owners and 54 million entrepreneurs in the United States. Okay, you see that? Just take a look at that. Every single one of them need a logo, graphic, any type. They need this. They need us, we need them. You see what I'm saying? Look at that. Just look at the market size, okay? Now, keep it in mind, every single one of them have to have some type of graphics, some type of anything, okay? So if they all need it and they all succeeded, you need it, and you will succeed with us. There's about 295,000 graphic designers hired in 2018, and according to Google, that is expected to grow at a minimum of 5%, which means that was 2018, we're in 2020 right now. So that means that number has gone up by over 10%, at least, over 10%. Over 672,000 businesses open a year, according to Google, which was last checked in 2008. So let's go ahead and take a look at this now. So 672,000 businesses over 12 years ago, okay? So that number probably quadrupled by now. Probably over 1 million businesses opening up a year, which every single business needs a logo and graphics. So let me just break this down for you. If there's over 1 million businesses opening every year, and they need graphics, Don't you see that this concept is proven? This concept of the services that we are offering is proven. It solves a problem. It's something you need, and it's something that is proven to work. If everybody keeps doing it, if there's more entrepreneurs, there's more small businesses, there's more businesses being open, there's more graphic designers being hired, okay, more of everything, that means the need for this is going up. Don't you think you should hop on the wave now? This is an investor slide. Read it if you want to. I'll leave it up there for a few minutes. Don't really need to go into detail about this. So now, why us? So this is basically me talking to you now. Why us? Okay, Maselli Visuals is very different from other design services and companies. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and read down this list, and then I'll just go talk after, okay? We work one-on-one with you the entire time. We offer a free evaluation of your company. Our job is not only to provide you with a service, but with skills. We know our designers well. Any service we offer can be altered or changed to however you want, okay? Let me just touch up on everything now, okay? We work one-on-one with you. Okay, you don't come to our website, we don't speak to you, provide you with a service and get out of there. No, we work one-on-one with you and we teach you. Okay, we offer a free evaluation of your company. That's a free evaluation, okay, of my time. Okay, now don't take that the wrong way. I'm trying to tell you that I would take time out of my day, okay, because I'm a busy man. I would take all the time out of my day just to come evaluate your company and come help you. Okay, if I'm willing to take that out of my day to come help you, imagine the time that I put into this company to help people like you. You see what I'm saying? The whole entire point of this is to help people like you, help small businesses, help business owners, help entrepreneurs, help everybody. And that is the goal of this company. That is I just need you to understand that that's not, saying, hey, I don't got time for you. No, I have time for you. This is why I'm doing a free evaluation of every company. Now, in that free evaluation of your company, you can come to our website. Link will be in the description. You can come there, book a free consultation in there. I will go over everything. I'm gonna break down the business guide to you. I'm gonna break down this PowerPoint again to you. I'm going to show you exactly. I'm gonna look at your business. I'm gonna look at your website, your social medias, your products, everything. I'm gonna tell you exactly where we can help you. I'm gonna tell you ideas that we can come up with. I'm gonna tell you exactly how we could do it and come up with a plan for you. And if you like everything, then we can move on. If not, and you just want to come talk and learn something, come talk and learn something. I would love to speak with you. You know what I'm saying? It's never wasting my time. Just feel free to book an evaluation. Our job is not only to provide you a service, but with skills. I already talked on that. So I'm not just giving you a graphic and say, here you go. No, I'm giving you a graphic. I'm going to tell you how to market that. I'm going to tell you how to do exactly what you need to do with that and to get you in the right place. I already talked about, we know our designers well. Any service we offer can be altered or changed to however you want. Basically meaning if on our website says maybe header pack only comes with 2 headers, and could be changed to any colors. But say you want 2 headers with multiple colors. Okay, it only says 2 colors. But say you want multiple colors and you want additional logos on there and you want additional sponsor items on there. That perfect. We could do that for you. You see what I'm saying? That's basically what that means. I just got 2 testimonials right here because we're fairly new, and I had to go to these people and ask them, do you want to put a testimonial on there? A lot of people, these are the only real ones that I have because they're the only ones I have, and I just want to keep it 100 with y'all. So this is all I got right now. Says from a client, Maselli Visuals really goes out of their way to make sure that all clients' needs is met, which, thank you, James. That is exactly what we do. And then one of our designers said, Maselli Visuals is a great place to work at. You take care and respect all the designers. Roy, thank you, man. Thank you, man. See, they get it. Do you guys get it? They get it. What's next? All right, this is the last one. Stop wasting time and money. Stop it. Stop it. As you are watching this video right now, you're missing out on making more money and growing more. You're missing it out right now. As you're watching this video right now, you're missing out on making money. That's also, time is money, man. Time is money. So why are you wasting? Why are you going to continue to waste your time and money when you could come book your free consultation call and learn something and potentially work with us to grow your company to levels that you couldn't even imagine? Help me help you. Help us help you. You see what I'm saying? And this is the giveaway that I was talking about right here. We're giving away 10 free business guides, okay? How did I do this? I think if you go down to the description, you'll see a discount code, right? So you're going to click the link, put the discount code in, you'll get the guide for free. Only the first 10 people to do this we'll get that guide for free. Just go ahead and download it, read it, and I guarantee you it would help you, and I strongly advise you to do it. Once it's sold out of the 10 free, don't worry about that. It's always on sale for on our website for $10. And also, if you ever purchase something on our website, even if you book the free consultation call, you still get the guide for free with any purchase, even the free consultation call. See what I'm saying? So why don't you go ahead and head over to the website and just check everything out for yourself. Now you're probably, at the end of the video, you're probably like, okay, he's going to try to sell me something. Nah, I'm not going to try to sell you nothing, man. I just wanted to inform you on some stuff. I just wanted to tell you what we are. And the only thing that I'm going to tell you to do is come over to our website and book that free consultation. Book it now, right now. Right now, I got time for everybody. We have time for every single person in the world right now. Come make your business better. Come Come let us help you grow your business to take it to levels you've never seen before. Take action now. Take the action now. Go to the website right now. I see you. I want to see you right now. Go to the website, book that consultation call, and let's get started working, because together we could all grow and build something great. With that being said, I hope you all have a great day and best of luck in the future. Peace.